Welcome to the Digital Anatomy Creator Software tutorial. In this series of videos, we will learn everything there is to know about DAC, its capabilities, how to create material presets, and how to print them. Let us begin by looking at the general view. To get to DAC, click on this icon, but first, ensure that every model on the tray is repaired. We can use different models in DAC, assemblies, or single STLs. In this tab, we create any preset that we want. At the bottom, we have the materials loaded to the printer. Each material has a V icon next to it to show which layers are using the material. Materials that are not in use can be switched to other PolyJet materials. Here, we can generate more and more layers. Give them names, and position. And of course, the pattern and material combination, which we will discuss in later videos.
By using the slider at the bottom, we can slice the model in Z height into different slices.
If we look at assemblies, we can see the exact slice where the different parts of the assembly are connected. Here, we have the Saving button. We can save the ADM file, the output of DAC, by giving it a family name, element, and modifier, and the preset name. Use this button to reset the design that we did if we want to design again.